All right, we got an OM-36 here. Came in with no sound and a little buzzing noise. Quite a few solder joints on this one. We had cracked DC jack joints, got those fixed. A bunch of the microprocessor joints were cracked. Did the old deox on the pots. Oh, the cracked headphone jack was actually what was causing it, because it acts as a switch and it wasn't allowing the signal to go to the rest of the amplifier circuit to the speaker. And yeah, other than that, here's the demo.